Hello guys, this is my first video on Dion Plays, and I'm going to be just playing a few goes on Subway Surfers. So yeah, my next video I will be doing PewDiePie's game, Tube Simulator. It's a cool game, but so yeah, I will maybe have like 5 goals in this, and then yeah, I know. If that's about it. Oh wow, sorry. What? So yeah, I am going to play PewDiePie's Tube Simulator next one. I did record Subway Surfers earlier, but like it failed and it deleted, and it didn't go up on YouTube, so I had to do it again. It's really annoying. Pogo stick. No. Nah, I'm a really huge fan of PewDiePie and also Jacksepticeye and Markiplier. If you have like any ideas of what games I can play, like on phone, that's all I can do for now, really. Because I've got an app on my phone that can record things, so I can download things on my phone that you want me to play. So just let me know in the comment section down below what you want me to download. Oh Jesus, and play, and I will download it. So yeah, I might actually have the game already because I've got loads of games on my phone. Yeah, but I'll have to delete some things, I think, because I don't have enough storage actually. So yeah, if I've got enough storage to download 2 more games, and then I'll have to delete some. I know what I'm going to delete anyway, so I'm alright. So yeah, definitely subscribe and like if you like the videos, and it would mean a lot to me. So oh yeah, okay. On this video we'll try to get 50 likes. I don't know if we can get that, but I think let's try and get that 50 likes on this video. It would mean so much to me. And then I know this is called Dion Plays, but I'll also be doing challenges and vlogs on it as well. So if I get over 1,000 likes on one of my videos, I am going to be making a challenge. You guys can choose what challenge I'm making. Just let me know in the comments, and I will do it if I get 1,000 or more likes. So yeah. So I would get the Bean Boozled challenge if you guys want me to do that. So okay. So if I get over 1,000 likes on one of my videos, I will be doing maybe the Bean Boozled challenge. If you want me to do the Bean Boozled challenge, say Bean Boozled challenge in the comments. So yeah, if I don't know what to say now. Yeah. So, but if you want me to do a different challenge, like their challenge or what? Alright.
Okay.
Or even the oh god, what's that cat called? Oh no, I forgot it. Cinnamon challenge. Maybe Demi, my friend, would do that with me. Yeah? Yeah.
That one.
You can do it with me.
Maybe.
Okay. So yeah, guys, if you want me to do the, if you want to see me throw up with the cinnamon challenge, wait, okay. I will either do Bean Boozled challenge or cinnamon challenge. If you want me, if you want to see me throw up, just like and it'll be so funny. And definitely subscribe for more content as well, more videos. So yeah, this will be my last go, sorry. And then I will go to shop for a bit, not like the real shop, on the game. And then I will end the video. What? Yeah. I'll probably just buy more hoverboards or something. I've got 13, but I guess buy more. Yeah. They, you can't see them anyway. What?
We can play zombies all the time.
Okay. So yeah, guys, if you know what Live Me is, try and get that, and then I'll add you if you tell me what your name is in the comment section down below, and then I'll give you like things so you can get diamonds in it. If you have it, yeah, and you know what the diamonds are for, can you let me know in the comments? Because like I have it and I have no clue what the diamonds are for. Like, can you buy more coins or something? I don't know what they're for really at all. Yeah, you can get diamonds on it when they give you things. So yeah, guys, I will go to the shop.
What did you do?
Click the wrong thing. Just spend all my money on boards, and I will video. Definitely like and subscribe for more, and see you in the next one, guys.